Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mijia Wow Stick 1PS 19-in-1 electric screwdriver. So first of all, we'll have a look at the envelope. So on the envelope, I think they've put a value down of $6, so it flew through customs without any charges. So thanks for that, AliExpress. Starting off with the box, a very smart looking box, got quite a glossy feel to it. Inside the box we have another 3 boxes, which I would assume is for the pouch, the screwdriver and the bits. So that's the screwdriver, I believe. I think that's the bits and the pouch. So we'll get started with the bits. So a nice round cylinder case for the bits, with the bits labelled at the front of the sizes available. There is a open section at the bottom, so we'll just take them out and have a look. It's a really smart presentation with the bits. They feel good in the hand, a little bit light, not very heavy, so we'll have a look how long they last, but definitely feel okay. Moving on to the screwdriver, the box itself has got a nice weight to it, so the screwdriver feels really good in the hand. So the only labelling on the screwdriver is just where it says Wow Stick. It's got a very nice clicky feel to the buttons. So this is the 1PS, so there isn't a USB charger on this one, so it's actually powered by 2 AAA batteries. So we'll put them in now, and then you just screw the lid back in again. You can see it's very responsive with the buttons. So it's got 2 buttons, one from back, one forward. Just try putting a bit in. It is magnetic, I'm not sure if you catch that, but it does hold into the screwdriver quite well. So just a closer look at the bits that are available with the screwdriver. So we've got a couple of Torx bits, some Phillips and some straight bits. So moving on to the pouch, I think on there it's labelled a tools bag. Really nice colour bag, actually matches the screwdriver really well. Very soft to the touch. It has a stitching that goes straight through the middle to separate the bits from the screwdriver. We'll just try putting it in now and seeing how it looks all together. Perfect fit. Give that time. That looks very smart, and definitely a good addition to the tool drawer. So I've pulled out a very old laptop. The screwdriver itself has a very satisfying magnetic click to it when you put it in. So as you can see, there is enough speed on that to take out that screw quite quickly. So it doesn't have a very powerful motor, being powered with AAA batteries, so if it is a bit tight you can manually turn it before giving it a go on the screwdriver. And then we'll try and point it back in again and see how it performs on that. That's it, done very well. The bit itself, after using the screwdriver, you can see straight away it had a bit of damage, so that's one of the minuses. So overall guys, I'm very impressed with the Xiaomi Wow Stick 1P Plus. I will definitely recommend it to anybody looking for a very simple electronic screwdriver to disassemble phones, laptops and other small electronic devices. So I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to purchase from Amazon. Please like and subscribe to the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.